So hello and welcome to this question. This is a France Math Olympiad question which says AB plus C is equal to 2020 and A plus BC is equal to 2021. How to solve this? So basically we will name the equation AB plus C is equal to 2020 as equation 1 and the other equation A plus BC is equal to 2021 as equation 2. And we'll subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So what happens if we subtract equation 2 minus equation 1, we get an answer, and that is A plus BC minus C minus AB. What we see here is that in BC and AB, B is common and A or C. So what we can say A minus C, and we take minus B as common, and hence we get A minus C. And 2021 minus 2020 is equal to 1. Okay, so we get A minus C into 1 minus B is equal to 1. Once we get this equation, there's two possibilities. This can come as an integral solution only if this is either 1 into 1 or minus 1 into minus 1. So there are two possibilities, 1 into 1 or minus 1 into minus 1. Now we consider case 1 as 1 into 1. This is case 1 and this is case 2. Okay. So we take A minus C is equal to 1 and 1 minus B is equal to 1, hence B is equal to 0. So in this equation we get B is equal to 0. Now case 2. In case 2 we declare A minus C is equal to minus 1 and 1 minus B is equal to minus 1. Hence we get B is equal to 2. So these are the two cases. In one case B is equal to 0, other case B is equal to 2. These are the two cases. Now we take case 1 as B is equal to 0 and then we try to put the same value B is equal to 0 in our parent equation, that is AB plus C is equal to 2020 and A plus BC is equal to 2021. Hence, when we put this equation 0 here, we get C is equal to 2020, and when we put B is equal to 0 here in the equation 2, we get A is equal to 2021. Hence, we get a solution like B is equal to 0, C is equal to 2021, and B is equal to 2020. That is our one solution, integral solution. Now we go to case number 2, that is A minus C is equal to minus 1. And hence, we get 1 minus B is equal to minus 1, that is B is equal to 2. That is the second case. First case, B is equal to 0, second case, B is equal to 2. Now, AB plus C is equal to 0, 2020, and A plus BC is equal to 2021 is a parent equation. We put this value B is equal to 2 in these two equations, and we get these are the two modified equations. Okay, here B is equal to 2, and here also B is equal to 2 is given. Now, this is the equation that we are getting. So we are multiplying this equation, the first equation, by 2. And once we multiply the first equation by 2, we get 4A plus 2C is equal to 4040 and A plus 2C is equal to 2020. Now, if we subtract this equation minus this equation, we can cancel this 2C and we can get 3A is equal to 4040 minus 2021. Okay. From here, we can get A is equal to 673. Got it? Now, if we put this equation C A is equal to 673, we get C as 674. So, there are two cases. The first case is in when we take 1 and 1, both the equations, to get the integral solution. And the other case is when we take minus 1 and minus 1. So, these are the two cases. Okay. So, if we take 1 and 1, then we get solution as B is equal to 0, A is equal to 2021, and C is equal to 2020. In case we treat this equation as minus 1 into minus 1, we get B is equal to 2, A is equal to 673, and C is equal to 674. That is our correct answer. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel to understand more and get more value content. Thank you very much.